Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 Hot Chillis, a vibrant slot game with a lively Mexican fiesta theme. This exciting game features a standard 5-reel, 3-row layout, offering 25 fixed pay lines for numerous winning opportunities. You can adjust your wagers from a minimum of 50 cents up to 80 coins per spin, catering to various playing styles. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of colorful symbols and thrilling gameplay. Let's explore the symbols that fill the reels. The lower paying symbols are represented by classic card suits from the number 10 through ace. For higher payouts, look for iconic Mexican items like maracas, cacti, guitars, and sombreros. The wild symbol, depicted as a charming mustached Mexican, can substitute for most other symbols to help complete winning combinations. Keep an eye out for the special chili bonus symbols, as these are your key to unlocking the game's most exciting features and jackpots. The heart of 3 Hot Chillis lies in its thrilling bonus features. Land 3 or more flaming chili bonus symbols to activate the exciting hold and win bonus game, starting with 3 respins. Each chili color brings a unique modifier. Red chilies can double your reels, expanding the grid to a massive 10 by 6. Yellow chilies grant an extra respin, increasing your chances to 4, while green chilies apply multipliers of 2, 3, or even 5 times to your coin symbols. These features can combine for truly explosive wins. To maximize your winning potential, aim to fill all 15 positions with coin symbols during the bonus game to secure the grand jackpot, awarding 1,000 times your total bet. Other fixed jackpots include the mini at 15 times, minor at 30 times, and major at 100 times your bet. For those eager to jump straight into the action, a convenient buy bonus feature allows direct entry into the bonus game for 70 times your current wager. Enjoy the fiesta and good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.